हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक माय यूट्यूब चैनल सॉफ्टवेयर। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है प्रोग्रामिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, जो कि सॉफ्टवेयर की थर्ड टाइप्स है। प्रीवियस टॉपिक में हमने सॉफ्टवेयर और उसकी टू टाइप्स के बारे में डिस्क्राइब कर लिया है। अब थर्ड टाइप्स है प्रोग्रामिंग सॉफ्टवेयर। व्हाट इज़ प्रोग्रामिंग सॉफ्टवेयर? Programming software is the tool for creating computer code that allows computer software to operate. The computer technology field frequently uses overlapping terminology which can be perplexing. Software development is not the same as software programming. Development is the actual design of the program, whereas programming is the executing of development instruction. Computer programmers are those who create software. In a nutshell, programming software assistance programmers is developing other software. Programming software includes compilers, assembler, debuggers, interpret, and so on. What are the components of a programming software? Because it may be more interesting to write a computer program directly in machine code. High-level languages such as Java, CSS, Python, and others are primarily used to write the program known as source code. Because the computer cannot manage the source code, they must be translated into machine language and executed. As a result, every programming software includes a translator system which converts source code into a machine code. In programming software, there are 4 types of language processors which are discussed below. Assembler. The assembler converts an assembly language program into machine code. The source program is an assembler input that contains assembly language instruction. The assembler's output is computer readable object code or machine code. Next, debuggers. As the same suggests, the debugger is used for removing bugs from code. It's simple, allows other programs to be tested and debugged. Debugger may also provide two operation modes, complete and partial simulation. It is used to prevent software or system from malfunctioning. Interpreters. A language processor's convert is a single statement from the source program into machine code. An interpreter is a program that executes code immediately before moving on to the following lines. If a statement contains an error, the interpreter stops translating at that point and displays an error message. Compiler. A compiler quickly reads the entire source program in the high-level language and translates it into an equivalent program in machine language. What do programmers use programming software? Programmers, engineers, and developers are responsible for software development. These rules interact and overlap, and the dynamics of these rules vary significantly between development departments and communication. Programmers, also known as coders, use programming software to write source code to program computers to perform specific tasks such as displaying text and graphics, conducting searching, routing communication, online orders processing, or database merging. Programming typically interrupt instruction from software development and engineering and implement them using programming languages such as C++ and Java. The three main reasons that programmers use programming software are as follow. नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए डिस्क्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल सॉफ्टवेयर, ब्लिंक दी बेल आइकन.